Hello, and welcome to 3D Herndon. We are a full-service provider of equipment and solutions covering 3D printing, 3D scanning, product design, and enterprise solutions. We support customers in education, engineering, manufacturing, government, and research. Our staff are experts in all things 3D because we don't just offer the best technologies for sale, we also use the equipment we sell on a daily basis to provide 3D printing and scanning services. This sets us apart. We have a deep knowledge of the equipment, materials, and techniques to share with our customers to ensure your success. Another unique aspect of 3D Herndon is that we have a fully equipped facility that includes a showroom, an extensive 3D print production operation, a dedicated 3D scanning lab, and a full inventory of the most interesting materials and supplies for additive manufacturing. We also have manufacturer-certified technicians on staff to provide service and technical support. If you have a design for a new product, but don't have the means to create a prototype, we've got you covered. If you're looking for a 3D printer or scanner, we offer the best brands. We have a wealth of experience and knowledge we'd like to share with you. Whatever your specific interests are, simply opt in to learn more about the exciting world of 3D printing and scanning and how 3D Herndon can meet all your 3D printing needs.